welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Tasha Danae here from the Queen's Den. How you doing? Before I get off into this video, I would like to send all my queens their flowers because guess what? You deserve it. I want to give it to you while you're here because guess what, queens? We work hard, we go hard, and some more, okay? And your girl got some tea to spill, okay? So I'm going to get into this tea, okay? So before I do, go down below and like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I appreciate you. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get my next video that will be coming soon. I'm going to give you guys a minute to go do that. And get y'all tea too. Okay, you got your tea, I got my tea. I'm finna get into the tea, okay? Even to the point where we take time to maintenance ourselves, you know, we get our nails done, we go get our feet done, and all that good stuff, which is all good. Don't get me wrong. But your girl, Queen Tasha Danae, just gonna keep it real, okay? Because that's what I'm here to do. We do all them things, okay? We spend money on it, you know what I'm saying? We go every week, every 2 weeks, we get our lashes done. But you know what? When is the last time you maintenance your Yoni, baby? Yes, your Yoni. What is Yoni? Did you say what is Yoni? Yoni is your sacred place, okay? Your Yoni is your Pum-Pum, okay? So I'm going to just get off into it. Ain't nothing wrong with maintenance and this, that, and other. But guess what, baby? It is time to elevate, okay? It's time to elevate. Take that thing to a whole nother level, okay? Because guess what? If you around here still douching and it's 2021, baby girl, that's your grandmama's bag, okay? You got to go on and leave that thing with her, okay? Because ain't nobody doing that no more, okay? We is in 2021, like I said, baby. We are Yoni Steaming, okay? Yes, we are Yoni Steaming. We is cleaning that Pum-Pum out through, again, organic herbs and steam, okay? So, again, if you douching still, leave that thing with your grandmama, okay? I'm talking about vaginal hygiene, okay? I'm talking about some grown woman stuff, okay? Some grown woman things, okay? And this organic treatment is detoxing the vaginal wound, okay? It's detoxing it, baby. It's cleansing it. It's balancing the pH. It's rejuvenating that thing, okay? So, again, if you want that dance off, pants off, get your Yoni sting, baby. You're missing out. And another thing, it tightens the vaginal canal. Not that we ain't already tight, not that we already ain't wet, but I'm just saying, baby girl, if you want that whole new rejuvenation that Pum-Pum ain't never got, never received, have never had, let me keep on talking, okay? Let me sip my tea, baby, because I'm giving it to you too fast, okay? I'm giving it to you too fast. So, if any of you guys got any questions on what I've said so far, go down below and hit that comment. Leave your comment because your girl is answering all these questions. I'm getting back to you within 24, okay? Within 24, okay? I'm getting back to you fast. Okay? So like I said again, ladies, queens, again, if you're looking for something new, something that, again, you can get up and leave them dragging with you, it's some results to it. I'm telling you, that's all I got to say. But I'm going to also share, it is not okay to steam while you are pregnant. If you are pregnant and you got 9 months, baby girl, go on in and deliver that bundle of joy. But after you deliver that bundle, baby, come and see your girl, Queen Tasha Danae, for that postpartum, baby, because I got that treatment, okay, to get that snatch back, okay? If you are on your menstrual cycle, you cannot steam. Baby girl, stay home. Wait till all that get up, dry up, get away, go on, wipe out, and come and get a cleanse, okay? Come and get that cleanse, that Queen's Den cleansing, baby. Now, there is some ways that you can steam more than often. And if you are going through menopause and you're starting to have them hot flashes, night sweats, baby girl, you can steam 3 days out the week. If you got that bacteria vaginosis, yeast infection, and prone to it, okay? Come on, girl, down here 3 times out the week and flush that thing on up out of there. Because I got you. I got you. All my herbs are custom blended for individual queens, individual needs and resolves, baby, okay? Your girl got you. Don't even worry about it. I got your back. Again, on a regular level of Yoni Steaming, that is something you could do once a month. You know, if something just to come and cleanse out again after menstruum, birth control use, intercourse, you know, things like that, you know, to regulate your menstrual cycle, things like that. So again, baby girl, yes, you can get that once a month, but I'm gonna tell you real quick right now, I'm going to tell you one thing right now. Treat yourself, queens, okay? If you never had a Yoni Steam, treat yourself at least once. Don't beat yourself, okay? Because it is amazing. You will love it, okay? You will love it. Another thing I'm going to share with you guys, too, is that your girl got an organic Queen's Den Pum-Pum juice that is detoxing, has very many good benefits to antifungal, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, baby, antiviral, and so many other properties to benefit the vaginal wound, okay? So if you want your Pum-Pum juice and you want to try it, your girl is shipping that out in the... It's in flight, baby. It's in flight. Okay, so hit me down below. You will find my P.O. box. You will also find my emails. And I will also find all your comments. So before I go, again, do not forget to go down below and push that comment, like, and subscribe button because